guys, welcome back to the lip declutter. I can't remember what part we're up to. I'm pretty sure it's part 5, possibly 5 or 4. I can't remember. Why do my eyes look so small today? Do you see what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, I feel like I'm just not looking that nice. But anyway, we're just going to get straight onto it. So today we will be finishing up our glosses. So let's just get into it. The glosses have been like such a breeze, so I'm excited to do these today. Then after that, I'm going to do lip liners, probably in a separate video. So let's start. Oh guys, I'm just going to get my micellar water. I left it in the bathroom. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's get started. This is from Colourpop and the Bambi collab. This one is in the shade Flower. It's like this purpley colour. I should have taken the foundation off my lips. Whoops. I think it's nice. I think I'm going to keep it. I feel like the foundation on my lips is throwing me off, but I'm about to take that off anyway. So yeah, I'll keep that one for now. Another from Colourpop. This is in Pop a Cork. And the shade looks so pretty. I'm so excited. I think yeah. It's almost too much on the milky side, but it's like just enough that like I can get away from it with it, you know? It is really pretty. Oh, I love gloss. I do. I know. Go back a couple of years and like I'd be like, what? What do you mean? I love gloss. I still don't like anything that's like too sticky, but yeah, I used to absolutely hate gloss. Alright, I've got a couple of Morphe ones here. I'm just going to get those out of the way. I've actually got quite a few Morphe ones here, to be honest. So we have Boho, which is that one. I'll get rid of her. Then we have Froze, and this one actually looks quite pretty. So that's Froze next to it. Then we have... This is another one of the Morphe and Madison Beer ones. This one's in Mars. That also looks quite pretty. That one there. Then we have... Oh, another one in Boho, but this is like a big one. I don't know why I swatched again when I've already swatched it once. Like, anyway, there's Boho swatched again. And then the last one is Pop. So that one there. So I'll get rid of all of those. There's 5 of them there. Then I've got another Morphe 2 one. This was in Lucky Me, and this actually looks real pretty. Yeah, that's stunning. They came out with these beautiful, like, super shiny, glittery glosses. And they are really pretty, but I'll get rid of her. And then the last Morphe one that I have is the Icy Lips. And this is when they came out with the collab with Swatty. I don't know how to say the name, but this one's in Boss Tycoon. That's really pretty as well. That one. There. Alright, so I'll get rid of all of those. We're going to be done with this video in no time, guys. Got mainly Colourpop ones left. This is another one of the Colourpop and Bambi collab. This one is in the shade Bambi. I can't tell. I think I'll keep it for now. I don't think like, I'm not super sold on it, but I also like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like, yeah, I probably should get rid of it, but I don't want to. This is Dream Queen, also from Colourpop. I feel like I'm not going to like this one. Yeah. Actually, why is it kind of nice? You know what? I actually kind of like it. I think I'm going to keep it. I don't know. I thought I really wouldn't like it, but it's actually quite nice. From Colourpop, we have Come Through. I think I like this one too. I don't normally love colour glosses. Like, normally I like super kind of shiny. I actually quite like that as well. That one can stay too. Wow. Okay. Got a couple more from Colourpop. This one is Overnight. Yeah, Overnight. I think this one can go. It doesn't really suit me. I'll get rid of that one. That's Overnight by Colourpop. And then we have last one from Colourpop. This is Skinny Dip. And this is actually a lip oil, sorry. From Colourpop. I do really like the lip oils. Ooh, it's got hard bits on it. Ooh. I don't know if it's just because it's like oil that it's like crusted up, but it's got little hard bits on the thing, and I can't do that. I'm sorry. It's just a shame because this looks like a really nice shade, but it's like fossilite. Like there's little hard bits of, I'm guessing it's like oil or whatever on the doe foot, but I can't put that back on my lips. I just can't. It makes me feel too unwell, so that one's going to be a bin moment, which is a shame because it looked nice, the first little bit I put on my lip. This is from Kylie. This is the High Gloss in Daddy's Girl. I don't love the High Gloss formula, but they are so pretty. I actually just really like this. Like, it doesn't really suit me, I'm not going to lie, but I think it's so pretty. And I'm going to keep it. I'm sorry, I have to. It's so pretty. This is Glam Light, and it was a collab that they, like the Icy collab or whatever, and this one is in the shade Raspberry. I thought they smelt, but maybe not. Oh, I can't really tell which shade it is because I don't really know, like... Oh, it must be like clear, is it? I think it's honestly like clear. Okay, I'll keep that one for now. It actually feels like a really nice formula, so... This is the Simpsons and Revolution Treehouse of Horror lip gloss in... Doesn't have a shade, but it's got Homer on the front. Donut head Homer. This smells like it's off, to be honest. Ew, that stinks. I'm gonna throw that out because that stinks like toxic or something. It doesn't really have that much of a shade. It's kind of yeah. Ew. I don't know what that was, but Okay, this is the Laura Mercier gloss in, oh, it's a lip glaze in rose gold accent, and it looks real pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that kind of smells like candy. Keep. Love that. And the very last one is from Fenty, and it's the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, which I think is like the very original one, so I don't even know if this is going to be okay. It smells alright. Yeah, that's real pretty. That's stunning. That's really nice. Okay, guys, all of our glosses are done. Thank God. Let's do a quick little count of our glosses, shall we? So we kept 1, 2, 9 this time, and we decluttered 10. So not bad. Pretty happy with that. Okay, we haven't been filming for all that long, so let's move on and start doing some lip liners, and then we should be able to finish up. There's like quite a few lip liners. I won't go through all of them in this video, but we can do some now, we can do some in another video, and then we can move on to our main collection. Let's start. Majority of these actually look like they're Morphes. This might be easier than I thought. The first one I have here is a Jacqueline one. This is in Blondie. I'm just gonna actually quickly wipe my hand off so I can do some more swatches. I think for these ones I'm just gonna do like one lip because swatching the whole, like the lip liner on the whole lip is gonna take way too long. So first one from Jacqueline Cosmetics in Blondie. Just looks like that, and I'll get rid of her. We have Morphe Sweet Tea, which is that one. We have Morphe Love Life, which is that one. Morphe Forecast. I don't even remember when I honestly bought all of these. That's Forecast. We have Twinkle. These are all from Morphe, by the way. Twinkle, Backseat Love. Then we have Heckle. We have Linda. And then we have BFF. Just on there. So all of those are gonna go. Alright, next we have the Glamlight and Frosted Flakes lip liner, which looks like it's got something on it. Do they grow mold? It's got like white stuff on it. Okay, it's gone now anyway. Maybe I'll just like outline the lips. I don't know how to do this really. So this is the Glamlight and Frosted Flakes one. And I'll keep this. I think this is really pretty. So I'll keep her. Then we have a Laura Mercier one. This is in Macaron. This isn't very creamy. Pretty, but I don't really love the formula, you know? I'll keep it for now, I guess, because I don't really have that many lip liners left. But yeah, that's just like a little bit. It's not super creamy. Okay, next we have a Kylie one in Leo. Oh my god. Which, yes, I will keep her. This is the Michaela and Glamlight one. It doesn't have a shade, but it's like a purple. I think I'll declutter that one. It's a bit like, I don't know. Going on to some Colourpop ones now. This is Ovi, I think, like OBVI, like, you know, short for like obviously. Oh my god, my camera is gonna go flat. Okay, give me a second. I'm going to charge my camera for a bit and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let me take my hair out. Back to this Colourpop one. So it's in the shade Obby. I honestly really like the Colourpop lip liners. I think they're really nice. And this one's a really pretty shade as well. That's real pretty. I really like that. Okay, so she can stay. I reckon we'll just do a couple more. Another one from Colourpop. This one is in Love Bug. Oops. I just put it all on my mirror. This one can stay as well. Obviously I've done a terrible swatch of it, but you get the idea. Another Colourpop. This one is in Pitch. This one can stay as well. It's real nice. Look like I have a big moustache. Then we'll do 2 more and they're both from Kylie. First one is Dashing. And this is part of a lip kit. I swatched a liquid lipstick last night actually. This was so pretty. She can stay. And then the last Kylie one is Sweater Weather, which is also part of a lip kit. And I decluttered the liquid lipstick of this. But see, I feel like this lip liner is nice and the liquid lipstick was. So I'll keep that one. Okay. The liquid lipstick was more like orangey kind of. Okay guys. So for our first round of lip liners, we got rid of 10 lip liners. And we kept 8. We kept 8 of them. Okay. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next part. Bye.